Thank you for joining me on my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today we're going to make the herringbone half double crochet stitch. It's a very beautiful stitch, and if you can see, it's slightly slanted. Let me turn it over, and this is the other side. This is worked in rows, and let's get right into it. So you will need your yarn and your hook. And to start with, you can start with any number of chain, just add one extra to your amount. So I'm starting with the chain of 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I will be working this in the back humps of my chain stitches. And we're jumping right into this row number 1. You will skip the first 2 chain stitches. These 2 chain count as your first herringbone half double crochet stitch. In the 3rd chain, from the hook, work as follows. Yarn over, insert your hook into the 3rd chain. Yarn over, draw up a loop under the chain, and then draw it up into the next loop also. You will have 2 chain on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. This is your herringbone half double crochet stitch. Let me show you that again. Yarn over, go into your chain, yarn over, pull up that loop. Pull that loop through the next loop. Yarn over, go through both loops. Again, yarn over, into your chain, draw up a loop, draw up the loop through the next loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is the half double crochet herringbone stitch, and you will continue that for the rest of your chain stitches. It's a very quick stitch. Just remember to draw it up through both loops. Again. Please feel free to slow down this video in your settings. You can even pause this video. Let me show you again. Yarn over, go through your chain, yarn over, go draw up the loop through the next loop, yarn over, go through both. Yarn over, go through your loop, yarn over, come through your chain stitch, go through the next loop. You'll have 2 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over and go through both. You will repeat that until you get to the end of your row. Chain 2 and turn your work. You will repeat row 1 on the next as many times as you need to. So I'm not going to work in this stitch, the very first stitch, because I have a chain 2. I'm going to work in the 2nd stitch. Going to work the exact same way I did for the previous row. This is a a stitch that repeats itself. Sometimes it will continuously repeat itself. And you will repeat this until you have as many rows as you want or need. Here you go. All done. Thank you so much for watching this. Enjoy the rest of your day.